by Gauri, and I'm back with a vlog for you guys. It's a series of 3 vlogs and this is the first one. In this first one I'll be showing you the decorations and the party of the New Year. And don't forget to share with me how you guys celebrate your New Year. So we have got everything from the local stores near our house. Not anything far. We have got the fairy lights. As you guys can see, we have got more than 2 to 3 of them. Everything is of 10 meters. Everything we got of like 550 rupees, which was quite cheap, and everything was very good quality. So yeah, and outside also we decorated. So in outside we have done it also with the fairy lights. One of them is the colorful one and another one is the plain orange and a little white color ones. So my favorite are both of them. Don't forget to share me which is yours after I show you, of course. So now we have decorated it, the whole thing. So it's really fun. And don't forget to share it with me how you guys have decorated and whatever you guys have used. So all the things we have used are again less than 550 rupees, and everything is of really good qualities. And you guys, we have not got anything from Amazon or something, but we have got everything from our local store. And here are some balloons which also we got from the local stores. They are gold color and they are very pretty. I love the color, and it has a little glitter on them also, which makes it super good. And we have got these plastic leaf garland, which is again very beautiful, and you guys can use as a photo booth. So we are creating a photo booth here with the 2021 mark from the normal cake store. You get it in any normal local stores. They are very nice and sustainable. So here are some cute things which we have used, like the lights. We have used the scoreboard, and as I said you, the plastic leaf garland we have used there, and some other lights also. Over here is the star lights, which is again amazing. And here we have used these candles. So this is the light which is color changing and is amazing. So this is how it looks in the night. I mean, it's amazing. I love all the decorations. I really love it. In the night it is looking even more beautiful than morning. So nice. Again, we have used many things from house also, like the pillows and all, which are from house. And over here we are gonna dance. I'll see you after my dance.
Oh my god, this is original.
After the dance, we started playing games. So we played many games, and don't forget to share with me what kind of games or challenges you guys would like to see in my next videos. I would love to know. And don't forget to share me what kind of games you guys play in the New Year time or with your family. That would be quite interesting, and I'm eagerly waiting to know. So we played 4 to 5 games, which were done in Damsharaj. We made many other variations, like Whisper challenge, no music challenge, and no music video challenge, and there was 1 minute word challenge, and what was there, hook step challenge was there, and freeze game was also there. I'll update you guys about the cake cutting time after you guys see the New Year party.
तेरे सूट पंजाबी पागे हाय नी दिल मंगदी जो भी कहेगी लगे हाथ दिला दूं मुझे कसम लगे मेरे रब दी शराबी तेरे सूट पंजाबी पाके हाय नी दिल मंगदी जो भी कहेगी लगे हाथ दिला दूं मुझे कसम लगे मेरे रब दी नोट उड़ा दूं सारे ठुमके पे तेरे नोट उड़ा दूं सारे ठुमके पे तेरे खाली कर दूं बटुआ
दिला दे घर दिला दे घर
दिला दूं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिला दूं घर चंडीगढ़ में दिला दूं घर चंडीगढ़ में बना दूं घर चंडीगढ़ में मिनी मिनी माइनी मो बेबी कम बेबी गो बेबी बेबी तेरी ब्यूटी का फैन हूँ तू गोरी गोरी छोरी छोरा मैं भी टैन हूँ ये घर वर की न कर परवाह तू पूरा चंडीगढ़ तेरे नाम करा दूं
So here we are playing a new game. As it was very cold outside, we decided to play this game inside, and there's more places here also. So this game contains of a song, and you guys are dancing and all, and suddenly this song stops, and some people come and distract you, and that's fun. Now it's time for the cake cutting. Cake cutting is most fun, I think, because we do the countdown, we cut the cake, and it's all so much fun. So yeah, we got the cake from Just Bake, and I think Just Bake is quite a good brand, and there was all safety measurements also. So yeah, so let's start the countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to all my awesome blossoms. I wish you guys celebrated the 2021 New Year amazingly. Don't forget to share me, and I wish you guys loved the 2020 year as I started my channel in 2020. It was a great year, but the corona and COVID thing was, I know, bad, but the thing we celebrated with our family and we lived with our family for so much long. I guess it should be a really nice year, considered as a very amazing year for me, because I started my channel, and I hit 100 subscribers and all. I loved entertaining for you guys. I would love to know what kind of video you guys would like in the future. So this is a dance me and my mom and my chickie did. If you don't know my chickie, she's in the video, in the cake video. You guys can go and check it out. We did a dance, and don't forget to guess which song it is. Don't forget to guess the song. I have not given the full sound, but I've kept it in the full speed, so you guys can't know which song it is, but I guess from the steps you guys will know. So yeah.
ಪಾಪ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡು ಶೂಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಶೂಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡು